Every year, Schobert creates about 100 snow sculptures in his front yard. When the snow first falls, he starts out small. His creations look like two kids on a bench or even a simple snowman. But as the snow gets heavier and better for packing, his ideas are endless.
Every one is my favorite one that I make. This is my favorite now. But right here, I made this huge gate. It had like 14 sculptures in it. It was lions and Greek statues.
The sculptor created the Greek statues this past spring. While he usually lets the ideas come to him and sculpt from there, he's got a few ideas for the next few months. Some of those include creating something for local bands. Schobert tells me he keeps a journal of all of his past creations. Some of those inspire what's to come.